Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. I just had fun in the kitchen yesterday. It was a day that was not an expedition day, so I get to have fun creating and playing with recipes. Yesterday was Mexican chicken with cheese sauce over fries. Because I was actually thinking of doing a fry recipe next week. Then I went, hey, wait a minute. This was really good. I added some stuff. First, I used arbol chili powder, Mexican cumin, cilantro flakes with the chicken, not just as a garnish. Mexican oregano. I used a yellow onion, just so you know, just so there's no confusion, and some minced garlic with the chicken. I got rid of the powder. Anytime I can use fresh, I will use fresh. The cheese sauce came out beautiful. It was fun, and it was filling. I've been able to get these really thick chicken breasts, so that's why I just went down to one. Because if I would have had two, yeah, this guy would have been full, and there would have been leftovers, and I don't think this would have gone over well as leftovers. So yeah, tonight we're in Ecuador, where I'm going to attempt the Spanish, but I do have an English translation. Fritada, which I can get, Fritada de Chancho, which loosely translates to braised pork, but the exact translation, is pork fry-up. All right, let's get to it. Got the brazier out. Gee, a braising pork, brazier. Hey. Crockery's out for rice. There's a lot of different sides you can do with this. I just chose to keep this meal simple, one, because it's just me. I got about a pound of pork here. This is what they call a country rib. I've really enjoyed this. It's been perfect to work with. It's going to marinate in some cumin, minced garlic, the whole garlic. This is from the Zong family at the farmer's market. There's whole garlic in the braise itself. So you got garlic, white onion. This was very cleared out or spelled out in the recipe. White onion. I'm replacing a particular onion, but the suggestion for the substitute is shallot. There's going to be some water, orange juice, and salt to taste. And I'll be serving this with long grain white rice. So here's the goodies for tonight's braised pork from Ecuador. It was a little hot here yesterday, but my AC is working. Thank God. All right, so on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.